So I've finally gotten around to cleaning up the injector holes here. As you can see, I got my brake clean out. And if you look down at these holes, it's cleaner. It's not perfectly clean, and normally I spend a lot of time cleaning these up, even more than I've done so far, because it's really important to get those clean. The problem is, the stuff that's left down in the holes here is carbon. It's stuff that's been leaking past the old seals, because whoever worked on this last didn't correctly seal it. And you see it's just kind of generally chewed up looking. So, because of that, as part of my way to get this thing sealed back up good, I've got my injector seat cutter. So, as you can see, I've got all these different little tools, a couple different sizes and profiles. And there's one that I want to use here. And this is the end shape of the, or size of the Bosch injector. It's flat. And then this is kind of a fake injector alignment thing. So this will go down in the bore, hold it straight. I'll put this on here, and then you can use this little T-handle. So I'm going to use this to cut those flat and make sure that they're clean, flat, and they'll take the new seal. But I don't want to do a whole lot with it, just as much as I need to get that cleaned up and flat. So I'll get that set up and try to clean up a couple of holes and let you see the difference.